Welcome to the ultimate egg salad tutorial. Let's master this classic dish like a pro. Start with 6 large eggs. Organic eggs are much better than those from the supermarket. Boil them with a tablespoon of salt until they're perfectly hard-boiled. So that the eggs do not crack while cooking, they must be at room temperature. 10 minutes should do the trick. Once they're done, transfer them to an ice bath to cool. This makes peeling a breeze. When they are cooling down, bake some bacon. Now peel those bad boys and separate egg white from the egg yolk. Chop egg white into bite-sized pieces. Use a sharp knife for clean cuts. Now it's time to chop some fermented cucumbers or regular pickles. I use fermented because they have more flour and they are healthier. Some chives for garnish, and your bacon for crunchy punch in your mouth. Next, let's add flavor. In a mixing bowl, combine your eggs yolks with 1 teaspoon of mustard, 60 grams of mayonnaise, 2 dashes of Worcestershire sauce, salt, and sugar. Mix it well with your spatula and toss in chopped cucumber, bacon, pepper, and egg whites. Combine everything gently to keep those egg pieces intact. For garnish, add fresh herbs like dill or chives. Serve your egg salad on toasted bread, in a wrap, or on a bed of greens. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe for more tasty recipes.